Richard Schechner coined the concept of restore behavior, under which he groups any behaviors that are consciously separated from the person doing it. Restore behavior is twice behave behavior. With that, he means behaviors that we already know and that we also know when to use them. For instance, in the morning, the first time we see a person, we know to greet and to say good morning. It's a strip of behavior that we know when to use it, how to use it, and it has a social function. Restore behavior entails performing actions or behaviors that we train for and rehearse. It is clear that making art involves training and rehearsing, but how about everyday life? Our daily behaviors also involve years of training and practice, of learning what is culturally accepted. Etiquette, politeness, diplomatic protocol are all examples of restore behavior. Let's think a bit about this. What particular conduct or behavior is okay in the following situations? How do we behave during a date? Or maybe in a classroom? Are those behaviors different from how we behave in a bar? One example of restore behavior that I like or I usually bring up in my classes is a wedding. Because in a wedding, not only the disposition of people, the groom, the bride, the parents, the wedding party has a specific location and we know exactly where they will be situated traditionally, but also there is a certain demeanor of the bride walking down the aisle, of the groom expecting the bride. So even if we don't know that that's a wedding, it's prescripted in a way. And so is the way that the bride and the groom behave. The habits, rituals, and routines of life are restore behaviors. Restore behaviors can be of long durations, as in ritual performances, or of short durations, as in fleeting gestures such as saying goodbye or Gig Em Aggies.